Hi friends, this is Nirmal Patel from Akshar Education, and today we are going to learn in this video how to solve linear equation when we do have a letter on left hand side and right hand side both. So very first thing what we are going to do in this kind of a question is we'll be collecting both the letters one side and both the numbers other side. So let's say I have got a 4n here, 2n here, so I'm going to collect both the letters one side. One thing you got to be very clear about is whenever you are moving letters and numbers, do not change the sign of the things which is not moving. Like in this case, I'll be moving 2n to the left hand side. So 4n is not moving. So I'll write down 4n as it is. Now, this is positive 2n. Positive 2n is moving to the left hand side. So plus become minus. Whenever anything goes across equal to sign, then you got to change the sign. So plus 2n become minus 2n. So I'll just write down minus 2n. Now right hand side 30 is there. 30 is not going anywhere. So you got to be very careful. You don't do anything with 30. So I'll just put down 30 as it is. And now this number 10 will be going to right hand side. Plus 10 going right hand side will become minus 10. I think quite easy to follow, yeah? So be collecting letters one side, numbers one side, whatever is the thing moving, only that sign we are going to change. Now 4n minus 2n, they are the like terms, so we can subtract them. 4n minus 2n is going to be 2n, and 30 minus 10 is going to be 20. And now we can do n equal to 2 is in times goes divided by, so 20 divided by 2, so my n value is going to be 10, and that is the solution of that. Another very similar question, 5x minus 12 equal to minus 3x plus 20. Only the difference is we have got few minuses to deal with this question, but our basic concept is going to remain same. I got a letter x here, I got a letter x in the right hand side as well. So I'll be collecting my both x one side, I'll be collecting my both numbers on other side. So 5x. And again, important thing is whatever is not moving, we are not going to change sign or anything like that. So 5x is going to stay here. So 5x, I'm going to keep it as it is. Minus 3x is coming to the left hand side. So minus 3x will become plus 3x. Now 20 is not going anywhere. So 20, I'll put it down as it is. Minus 12 is going to the right hand side. So minus 12 is going to become plus 12. Now 5x plus 3x, they both are like terms, like 5 apple plus 3 apple equal to 8 apple. So 5x plus 3x is 8x. And 20 plus 12 is 32. Now this is times 8 times x. Time goes divided by. So x equal to 32 divided by 8. So my x value is going to be 4. Done, guys. Is it not easy? Yeah? Yes. I hope you enjoyed the videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.